Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to another Skywars. And I think I forgot to introduce myself, so that's probably the best way of doing a video. Not introducing, you just don't even know who you are apart from if they're like subscribers. Anyway, I am the Blue Crocodile, and welcome to another Skywars. Today we're playing on the on the Powercraft server. I believe it is. If I don't forget, actually, I will leave a link. Oh god, oh god, locked yourself out. I will leave a link in the description. You should go really check it out. It's a very awesome server. Very donate as well if you want to, and everything. So worth it. And so yeah, so let's get straight into it. Let's go ahead and build ourselves some armor. Then there we go. Very nice. And boom. And ooh, I know what's better. I'm gonna say diamond is just about better. I'm not too sure actually. And actually there's already a person dead, so and also for some reason there has been a bit of lag on the server, so if it starts lagging, just maybe just kind of wait what if you say, oh god, that scared me so much. Oh god, switch my sword. Oh god, I'm gonna die here. I'm gonna die. Oh my god, that was so close. Got an ender pearl too, that's pretty good. Stack of lava. What else? Did a better sword? No. Oh, I do have a pretty good sword, which is probably the main reason why I won that battle. But dude, he got me by surprise so well. I thought I was gonna surprise attack him. He surprise attacked me very well. Well played, man. Fortunately, you had to die, but I'd say if we had the same gear, he definitely would have taken me out. So I'm lucky I had that diamond stuff. Let's go to the middle right now. Got him eat a golden apple. Heal our health up, and ooh, I think that guy saw us. Yeah, he's crouching now. We need to be careful. We do have the 2 extra hearts, so that's always a good thing. Let's put this here. I know you're in this cave, dude. Oh wow, raid. How are we gonna do this? He's obsidian himself in. God damn, stupid obsidian. Hello. Ooh, lag. I will take your beautiful diamonds there. I see you have 20 of them. That's very good. Ooh, lever. I wonder what I'm going to use that for. 21 diamond blocks. Overpowered much? And also, sorry if I sound a bit frustrated. I just recorded a Hunger Games, and there was a team of 4. It was just basically it started off I had nothing. I started getting loot, got full iron diamond sword. No, I was just kind of pumped up, and then there's 5 people left, and then I realized no one is dying. Whoa, what the hell? So I got a spawn, and basically there's a team of 4 just there. So basically I had to battle a team of 4. I actually won. I killed. I killed the first guy, and then so they can't continue chasing. I killed the second guy, and then they stopped chasing me, so I was able to regen. And then went to deathmatch, and I won. And so basically I beat a team of 4. I was so happy, and I was like, yeah, this is gonna be the best Hunger Games ever. And turns out my recording actually never started. So basically, yeah, recorded. I didn't record it by accident because my recording for some reason didn't start, which was kind of weird. It kind of annoyed me, I have to say, a lot. That guy doesn't know about that. Oh god. No! Ooh, that was close. With 2 water sources. If I was him, I would just build across, and I would just block 2 water sources, but apparently he doesn't have. Oh god. Good shot, dude. Apparently he doesn't know that you can just kind of block water sources. Is he gonna block? Oh yeah, he knows. Yeah, he's going to block it. I think I've lost here. Wait, till we can talk. Don't be that guy. No. Please just kind of wait. Actually, yeah, we can do this. Put a water source here. Huh? You thought you could kill me, huh? So easily, huh? It's not how you kill the crocodile. No, first you gotta take his neck, you gotta slice it in a few bits. Actually, he's gonna be right here. Oh god, that was so stupid, I misclicked. Fudge. But Luckily, I did put this water source here. That's why you always put water sources here. Oh god, he exploded something. Not too sure what. You know, he's not going to be able to block that water source. And go ahead, can you kind of blow up your thing? Do you have any arrows? Yes, I do. Boom. Boom. Come on. These are terrible arrow shots. Come on. I mean, I don't care if you dance. I'm just gonna actually, thank you for letting me on your side. Oh, too easy, dude. Too easy. So that's basically, I'm just gonna make a video per kit, maybe like a, and yeah. So I'll see you guys later with the second video with the second kit, and goodbye.